take some sort of organic biomass and cook it at a very high temperature, usually above 500, 600 degrees, without the presence of oxygen. And what we're left up with is this carbon-rich, charry material, which we call biochar.
So this is a piece of the biochar that was produced yesterday and we've unloaded today. So essentially it's been carbonized, it's condensed, it's lost about 80% of its mass.
The way that we've ultimately got to this product is by taking what you see behind here. This is waste tree surgery offcuts that have come from the local area. That gets processed and made into smaller pieces, which goes into the machine, gets taken up to temperature, raked out the next day, and then ultimately crushed. So we're left up with a product that looks like this.
That carbon's going to stay in a stable form and won't be released potentially for thousands of years.
There's a lot of promise with biochar. It has loads of potential use cases. For one, it can be used in soils, which can potentially improve things like crop yields and soil health.
We are currently at the farm, which is growing salad, and they have a field trial here where they compare the salad growth. They measure how big is the leaf compared to the non-biochar application, but also soil moisture and pH, so what's the impact of biochar on the soil health. You can already see that the lettuce growth is bigger in the treatment plot where biochar is used compared to the control plot where no biochar is used.
Another trial that we've seen is biochar's use in water filtration.
So what we're looking at is whether the biochar is able to absorb things like nitrates and phosphates that are leaching off of fields into waterways, and whether the biochar can hold on to those and then remove them from the water, and then we put them back onto the land.
Biochar as a technology is really the leader in the engineered carbon removals market at the moment.
Over 80% of all carbon removal credits on the market right now are due to biochar projects.
It's a technology which is well understood. The costs associated with some of these projects is quite low compared to some of the alternatives. This is a technology that could rapidly scale from where it is at the moment. Coming to visit a biochar project really puts the importance of our work in perspective.
These ratings that we're producing have to be the most accurate portrayal of what's going on that we can possibly do. It's really important for BeZero to work closely with developers.
They can tell us what's their barriers, how they can use carbon finance to overcome these barriers, which is very important for doing a rating.
Each project is unique in its own way. From speaking with developers, understanding a bit more about their context, we're able to give the most accurate ratings that we can.